Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download Twitter videos to Gallery Easy Guide. So for us to be able to download your favorite videos onto your Twitter, then you're onto the right guide. So make sure to go ahead and log in first onto the right account wherein you want to go ahead and see the video that you want to download. So let's find a video in here that we could try to download first. So for example, this video of Google that we have here. So what you could do is you'll just have to simply click onto the post here, and there you should be able to see the share post here or the share icon here onto its bottom part. So click onto that, and right after there is an option to go ahead and copy the link for that. So click onto copy link, and once that one is already copied, you need to go ahead and head onto your local browser. So just choose any browser of your choice. So on my end here, I'm using Google Chrome. So just type in Twitter video downloader over there, and you should be able to see this specific website, which is the sstwitter.com. Click onto that, and right after you'll just have to paste the copied link out earlier, and then right after click onto download to proceed. So you'll just have to wait for that. Right after that, it's time to choose in the video preference. So you can now download the video. You could choose HD or the following resolutions in here. You could also convert that to MP3, and on my end I'm going to choose this option in here. Click onto that, and as you can see here onto the bottom part, it will go ahead and prompt a download onto your Google Chrome. Just click onto save and choose where to save that, and it should be automatically downloaded onto your device. And that is how easy you could go ahead and download Twitter videos to Gallery. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.